Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or struggled to recall an important piece of information during an exam? If you've experienced the frustration of forgetfulness, you're not alone. But what if I told you that understanding the science of memory could help you unlock your brain's full potentials? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of memory. Why do we forget things? Is it simply a natural part of life? Or is there more to it? By understanding how our brains store, process, and retrieve memories, we can improve our focus and retention. So let's dive into the science behind forgetfulness and discover practical strategies to enhance our memory. At the core of our memory is a small but powerful region of the brain known as the hippocampus. This is where new memories are formed and stored. However, not all memories transition into long-term storage. Research indicates that we forget about 50% of new information within just 1 hour. But why does this occur? Several factors contribute to memory fading. Stress can impede our ability to encode memories effectively, while distractions can prevent us from concentrating on what we want to remember. Additionally, without repetition, our brains may deem certain information unworthy of retention. Think of your brain as a library. If a book hasn't been checked out in a while, it may simply be returned to the shelf. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest memory challenge? Is it recalling names, dates, or perhaps remembering where you left your phone? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Here are some practical strategies to enhance your memory. First, try the technique of repetition. Repeating information reinforces it in your brain. Second, make associations. Connect new information to things you already know. It's like creating a mental web. Lastly, manage your stress levels. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can significantly boost your focus and memory retention. Remember, forgetfulness is a natural part of life. However, with the right techniques, you can enhance your memory and reduce this moment of forgetfulness. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your memory improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of psychology and self-improvement. Until next time, keep learning and growing.